Slide from the center of the defense. That's Oscar coming back from the midfield position to try to play off. Oh, nice little touch ball in. That ball bounces off the post. Is the assistant going to give him a goal? He is. It's going to be an opening goal for LA Galaxy 2. And right off the bat, here inside the 4th minute, they have scored to take the early lead. As inside the box, they went with the chip, and it was Raul Mendiola who gets credit for the goal early on. Showa continues to fight, wins that one. Plays back centrally, Chad Bond to the opposite side, finds Irla Davern. Davern, one touch now with the left, tries to play back centrally, here off the deflection, goes in, and a goal! Irla Davern has scored, and watch him do his little dance. How about the man from Ireland, the former Sligo Rover, has tied things up here in the 14th minute, and the Tulsa Roughnecks have equalized here early. With Zach Lubin, here's the corner coming in, Lubin comes out, able to punch that one away with both hands. Oh, what an absolute rocket from the outside. And Galaxy 2 have taken the lead. What an absolute rocket that came off the boot of Bradford Jamieson.
The ball came in from the corner, and it was headed out by a Roughnecks defender straight to Jamieson. And his shot was, as I described it, as a screamer.
Jamerson with the right, and it's another one in.
Well, that one's totally different. It's the same player, but he just shrugged off the defender, turned, and hit a right-footed shot, and Zach Lubin just couldn't get his left hand on it. Roughnecks need a bit of luck. Looks like Gibson Bardsley's going to be taking it with Sammy Ochoa off the field, but I honestly would say that's a 50-50 call, and the Roughnecks have got it.
But the Roughnecks must capitalize here, and it'll be Gibbo. Gibson Bardsley. Gibbo approaches, sends this one in. Gibbo scores!
They're talking to someone, Pop, who's going to come on and hopefully make the difference.
This one back, Lubin, contact there, and slotted in for the goal. Is it Lassiter?
I'm just looking at
it. It is. It's Lassiter who gets the goal here in the 86th minute.